Welcome to the family, Penguin. Did you get a new toy? Oh, you want mommy to play? Wow, you tell him, Tox. You tell him. Oh, wow. You fired up? You fired up? Damn, I'm a strong boy. Oh, I'm pretty sure the penguin has shaken penguin syndrome. Okay. Wow, welcome to the family. Yes, you're a good boy. He's a good boy. Yes, you are. I'm a little E.T. You want mama to play? Okay. Get him. Oh, a little snort. You give him a kiss? Give him a kiss. Be nice. Did you give him a kiss for mommy? Well, you didn't have to open mouth it. Get him. Just a good boy. This is why his toys only last like literally 24 hours. Get him. Bring it to mom. What's going on with all the snorting, Piglet? Huh? My little E.T. You're so handsome, Tucky. Get him, Tux. Get him. Say, welcome to the fam. Huh? Welcome to the fam. Come on, let's see those nice teeth. No, you want to play. No, it's the Christmas penguin now. I got the monkey behind my my TV because I thought he was going to rip him to shreds like within the first hour. So I'm trying to ration it out. Tuck, tuck. Look up. Let's see those nice teeth. No? All right. Mama, go play with you.